If you have any doubts, then you can unmute and speak, okay? Na? Unless that, don't unmute, okay? Mute itself. Last 10 minutes, I will give doubt session to you, okay? Last 10 minutes, we will discuss about your doubts only. Until that, no one can speak. So today is the first session. And one more thing I want to tell to you, it is not a recording session. I am Mahesh, okay? I am live. This is the live session because so many guys have doubt. Is it a recorded session or live session? I am available in the live itself only. Okay? That's very good evening, everyone. So now I want to tell anyone what is a testing. So today introduction part only. Today just I will give brief introduction, course content, and whatever I am explaining to you, those things I want to tell. End of the session, I will give chance to ask doubts. Whatever you have doubts, you can ask, no problem. Sir, what is a testing? What is a testing? Testing means everybody knows about that. General word it is a general word. Sir, for example, if you want to buy a pen, do you want to test it? If you want to buy a car, do you want to test it? If you want to buy a bike, if you want to buy a mobile, if you want to buy some sweets, if you want to buy some grapes, yes, definitely. Pen means just I have to open the cap and I have something. Car, I can go for test drive. If it is a second-hand car, I can look and feel it. First, I'm checking any damages are there, everything I'm checking. After that, engine condition, everything. Bike also, test drive. Mobile also. I can check features, whatever features are available there. Is it okay or not with me, the features? Sweets, look and feel and taste. Grapes also, same like that. So testing is a normal word, sir. Everybody knows about that. You are also very well known about the testing. From the birth to death, we are performing n number of testings. So suddenly one person is going on the road. He fall down. Immediately we have to check his pulse, his heartbeat, breathe, everything. That is also one type of testing. From the birth of a lady, she is conceived. Every month she is going to the hospital for check. Third month, fourth month, fifth month. What it is? Testing only. So already you know very well. So here, how many guys are there? I don't know. So many guys are there. Everybody having some idea about the testing, like Akhil, Abhijit, Deepali. Everyone having idea. Yes or no? Yes. Voice is maybe our side problem. Maybe my side everything is okay. Okay. Yes. Now can you hear me? Now clear voice. Yes. Sorry. Sorry for disturbance. Yeah. So now observe carefully. Yeah. Sir, observe carefully. So testing is nothing but something is there. Is it properly working or not working? Is it properly working or not working based on my requirement? That is called as a testing. That is called as a testing. Because now it's clear. Yeah. I will upload in YouTube. Okay, na, Rahul? Sir, observe carefully. Sir, observe carefully. Concentrate on the class. So, sir, if I want to go for buy a pen, sir, please the internet connection strength because your voice is breaking. My internet is good, yeah. Every day I'm taking the classes, same internet only. Every day, same net connection, yeah. Okay, now, sir, okay, concentrate in the class, first of all, everyone. Sir, suppose if you want to buy a pen, buy a bike, buy a car, buy a sweets, grapes, everywhere, testing should be there compulsory. Without testing nothing, just I'm telling, birth to death, we are performing n number of testing activities. We are performing n number of activities. That is called as a testing. Now, my requirement is software testing. What is the software testing? So generally, how you tested a pen by writing? We have to open it and we have to write. That is called as a testing. Yes or no? Car test drive, bike test drive. Everything we go for a test drive and everything. Yes, very good. Now, same thing, software. So first of all, what is a software? If there is no software, no testing, sir. Later I will do software testing. What is a software? Who will develop this software? Generally developers only. Developers, they can write the program to develop an application. Maybe Java, maybe Python, maybe .NET. Any language they can use. But ultimately, who is the person? Developer only the responsible to develop an application. That is most important thing. Developer is the responsible. So, as a test engineer, coding knowledge is not required for us. Coding knowledge is not required. No. How application implemented? Is it properly working or not working? That is enough for us. So how many of you know SDLC? If you know, tell yes. Otherwise, tell no. SDLC full form is Software Development Life Cycle. How many of you know SDLC? Because testing field, so many guys came from non-IT students, non-IT people. They don't know anything. Yeah, no problem. No issue, sir. If you don't know anything, also no problem. Okay, no, don't bother about that. I will take care of everything. So testing means, yeah, Tarun, any doubt? Use chat panel, Tarun. If any doubt, use chat panel. So observe carefully. So SDLC full form is Software Development Life Cycle. There are some phases should be there. Like, first of all, to develop any application, there is a person is there, BA, business analyst. He will take all requirements from the client. He can prepare a document BRS or same called as a SRS or same called as URS. So BRS full form is Business Requirement Specification. SRS, System or Software Requirement Specification. URS, User Requirement Specifications. So BA will interact with the client and take all requirements stored into one place, that is called as BRS. What it describes, I will tell later on. Present, you don't bother about that. What BRS describes, what is the content is that everything I will tell. Next. Analysis. When prepared documents are FRS, mean functional requirement specification. For example, every application contains some functionalities. For example, if you have a HMS application is there, see here, one HMS application is there. Login button. What is the functionality of login button? If I enter correct username here, if I enter password, login should be happened. After that, what is the meaning of logout? If you click on go outside, and if I write something data, I am reset, data will count. So each and every application, sir, example, this Zoom is there. If I want to share the screen, I can share my screen. If I want to mute any person, I can mute it. If I want to dismiss any person, I can dismiss. So those are their functionalities. So what functionalities are the application? Everything available FRS. Next, design architecture will come. He will do design. At the time of designing, two are there: GUI and the database. So GUI full form is graphical user interface. DB is nothing but a database. So do you know every application front end back end is there? Front end and back end. For example, movie is there. Today one movie is released. Balai Babu movie, Akanda. So whenever you can go to movie, on screen, hero, heroine, villains, comedians, so many people are there. But offline background, so many people are there, like a director, a producer, a choreographer, makeup man, this, that, everything. So many people will be there. Same application also, sir. So this is front end. What we are seeing, for example, if you open Google, what we are seeing that is called as a front end. Back end means if I'm searching something for Selenium, it will give some details for us. Back end, where we are getting from the database. So that is called as a designing. For example, tomorrow if you want to construct any building, sir, you can go to engineer, AutoCAD engineer. He will give a plan. That is nothing but a design. Next, developer, we can write coding. Sir, now software is ready. Sir, like that software. Sir, SDLC full form is software development life cycle. How to develop an application based on client requirements within the specified time is called as a SDLC. In that first page, requirements, analysis, design. So up to now, business analyst, system analyst, design architect, developer. Where is that QA, quality analyst came? He will do testing. That type of testing is called as a system testing, sir. Now you can get clarity. Yes, little bit. So what is a testing? Testing means whatever software given by my developers, is it properly working or not based on the client requirements? I have to test. That is called as a testing. Who will do QA? QA full form is quality analyst. Quality analyst, test engineer. So what is your role, sir? Sir, company, your role, very simple role. The application can be implemented, developed by the developers. You have to just see your side internet only. Everything is okay. Okay. So quality analyst, what they were doing, we have to do system testing. Sir, once I compare, I am given to the client. Client will do testing. That is called as UAT. UAT full form is user acceptance testing. So as a QA, if I am performing, that is called as a system testing. If client will do testing, that is called as UAT, user acceptance testing. So now anyone please tell, what is testing? Based on basic idea, basic you tell. Please respond here. What is testing? Just know whatever I'm telling, those you can tell. See, up to now I'm 5-6 classes. See, Zoom meeting is game. The Zoom meeting is a problem. Because up to now, I'm taking 5-6 classes. Now starting it. Testing means is very good, Niharika, very good, nice. Testing means check the correctness, very good, excellent. So testing is nothing but it is one important phase in SDLC. So that's why I'm automating Zoom is unsubscribed properly coming voices, no problem. After 2-3 sessions, I create GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is very good. Screen sharing, everything will come properly. Testing is nothing but the software properly working. That is called as testing. If we as a quality analyst, if we are performing, that is called as a system testing. If client is doing, that is a UAT. After that, sir, release and maintenance. Sir, here so many guys coming from non-IT background like ECE, Triple E, aeronautical engineering, like that. So don't bother about that. Whatever platform you came, no issues. Testing can be suitable to everyone. Anyone can learn testing, no problem. No issue about that. Because so many they are asking, sir, I am from non-IT background, sir. Can I survive or not? Easy to survive in the testing area. Don't bother about that things. So what are SDLC phases are requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing, release, and maintenance. That is called as SDLC, software development life cycle. So do you know in this SDLC again models are there. There are so many SDLC models will be there. Yes. Whatever SDLC models are there, 9 models I will explain to you. Waterfall model, prototype, incremental, spiral, RAD model, Big Bang model, fish model, V model. I have to explain to you. Waterfall, prototype, incremental, and spiral, RAD model, Big Bang model, fish model, SL model. Ultimate, yes. So once I explain that, what is the testing? How we can do testing activities? What are testing activities we have to follow? So SDLC is there. Same SDLC is also there. So SDLC full form is software development life cycle. SDLC full form is software testing life cycle. Here also some pages are there, like test planning, test case design, test execution, reporting, test closure. So test initiation done by test manager. Test manager. Test planning will be done by the lead. Test case is done by test engineer. Execution also engineer. Reporting also engineer. Test closure will be done by test lead again. So as a tester, very important thing is these three: designing, execution, and defect reporting. Only are important to the tester. Test case design, test execution, defect reporting. Sir, whatever software testing techniques are there, anyone please tell? Software testing methods. How many testing methods are there? Anyone? Anyone please tell? Because minimum knowledge. Software testing method. Deepali, Niharika, anyone? Don't know? Software testing methods. Ayyo. Yes, smoke testing. Impression unit, very good, very good. White box, black box. Yes, very good. Sanity. Yes, nice. Very good, sir. Yes, nice, nice, nice. Sir, generally, yes, very good. Observe carefully. There are only two types of testings are there. One is manual testing. One is automation testing. Only two are there. Manual, automation. Only two types are there, sir. Two types are there. Because see, whatever you're telling, sanity, UAT, white box, black box, unit, regulation, everything is okay. I can accept it. Okay. But only two are there. Manual, automation. Yes, functional, non-functional, ad hoc, exploratory, very good, very good. Nice, nice, nice. All are okay. But only industry two are there, sir, manual and automation. So what is the meaning of manual testing? Manual testing means without any tool, as a test engineer, we have to test one application directly without any tool. Here, no coding, no programming, nothing. As a test engineer, directly we can interact with an application and check the application functional behavior. That is called as a manual testing. So here at the time of manual testing, we can prepare test cases. We can prepare test cases. So, sir, here no tools, sir, no tools, no coding, nothing. Directly we can execute application. That is called as manual. So manual is very easy, sir. Anyone can survive manual. Yes. Because of no coding, no programming, nothing. Just what is a smoke? What is a sanity testing? What is retesting, regression testing? Only thing is what is a test case and how to write test cases. That is only. For example, just now I am telling now, there is the application is there. I want to check login button working or not working. So what to do? Open application, enter username, password, directly click on login button. That is manual process. Here no tool, nothing. That is called as a manual. So automation means it is also done by test engineer. But between tester and application, a tool should be there. I can give instruction to the tool. Tool will be performing an application and tool will give a result. The tool may be anything. Nowadays, popular Selenium. We have to write test scripts. We can write. Yes, very good. Test scripts we have to write. So simple word I will tell. Automation means the process of converting manual test cases into test scripts by using some tool, by using Selenium. That is called as automation. The conversion process of manual test cases into test scripts with the help of the some tool. That is called as automation. So entirely we have to check for only these parts, manual and automation only. Manual and automation only. Only two are there. So what I want to discuss with you is, so today voice is not clear, okay, no problem. Or I will check my internet. Actually, Sir, morning, evening, I am taking classes. Up to now, I am not getting anything. But why it is coming? Tomorrow I will rectify it, no problem. Because today demo only, so don't bother about that. Just it is introduction part only. Tomorrow definitely I will resolve. So that's why, because of net problem or whatever problem, I don't know. Sir, what I want to tell you is, first I want to discuss manual testing. 15 to 20 days it will take. Next, Selenium with Java I have to take. Immediately Java means students got shivering. Student got shivering. Oh, sorry, Java now. We don't know anything about Java. Don't bother about that. Whatever Java required for you, I will take care. Whatever Java you can require. First, Java basics, I will tell. Java basics means not complete Java. Like class, object, reference variable, types of variables, interface, abstract class, complete class, interfaces, exceptional link, those things. After that, sir, real time. Real time concepts means malproliferation, listeners, retry mechanism, Jenkins, GitHub, extend ports, page factory approach, how to handle stale elements. See, first I will show the course content. So this is the manual course content, sir. People are coming, going. Why I don't know. See, first manual content, this is first introduction part, sir. Software introduction. Next, software development life cycle. SDLC, I will tell. And SDLC model, how to tell. Waterfall model, prototype, incremental line models. Testing methodologies, white box, black box, gray box. Next, testing levels. Just now someone is telling unit testing, integration, system testing. Under system testing, functional, non-functional, user acceptance. Along with these, some other testing techniques are there, like smoke testing, sanity, retesting, regression, ad hoc, exploratory, jumper monkey, L10, I18, globalization, mutation, defect seeding. Finally, SDLC, software testing. Six are there. Then manual testing is over. So same like that, Selenium. First, I can go for Selenium with Java. Basic Selenium, I will tell. Basic Selenium means Java concepts, exception links, looping statements. Say introduction to the Selenium. Selenium components, IDE, fundamentals, I will tell. Class, object, data types, arrays, grouping statement, exception handlings, object orientation, overloading, overriding, JUnit, TestNG, WebDriver, automation lifecycle, everything. Along with sir, main important content is this is E drive, desktop, Selenium project related contents, project related content, like how to create Maven project, how to create Maven project. So what is the basic model? How to configure our drivers? What is Log4j? Apache UI, property files, reusable functions, page factory approach, listeners, retry mechanism, HTML reports optimization, action reports, Jenkins, GitHub, sir. So totally 3 modules I will tell to you: manual, Selenium, real time. So, sir, every day recording my team will give, but I will give whatever I am providing. Pre-recorded videos, lifetime access, soft copy materials I will give daily 1 hour session. Duration 2 months. Please, our team will tell contact number 8096969696. Yes. Once it is done, I will create a WhatsApp group. In that materials I will share, and materials I will give materials. I will give pre-recorded videos and everything. In the group, I will add each and every person, because tomorrow in that we will discuss in that group. Our guys will help you, other students and everyone. Yes, now time is your time. You can ask any doubts. One by one, you ask. If you need doubts, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, then ask the doubts. Sir, are you going to cover testing Jira? Jira tool, Mantis BT, I will tell Harika. That is a bug tracking tool. One tool I will tell, bug tracking tool. Yes, one tool I will tell. Niharika. Yes, remaining guys, Monica, Karishma, any doubts? One by one I will ask. Tarun, Abhijit, mute yourself. You can unmute, speak. Yes.
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, thank you. Kintal sir, someone is there. Akhil?
No doubt, sir.
Amit Panigrahi, no doubts?
Yes.
Sir, because whatever doubts you can ask today, introduction only. I am not telling any subject. Tomorrow on subject will be started. Every day, end of the session, I will give time minutes. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask them. Today, just introduction part. Yeah.
Hi. Just very quickly. You said it will be 1 hour session every day for 2 months. Yeah, Monday to Friday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Monday to Friday. Yes.
And will there be any assignments or kind of anything to
At
practice you're gonna give us?
Selenium, at the time of whenever Selenium started, whatever programs I'm telling, you have to practice, and I will give assignments. You can practice those things. That is enough.
So only on Selenium. Java manual, obviously, you're just gonna provide.
Manual not required. Selenium with Java and real-time concepts, you have to practice. Whatever programs I'm telling, those you have to practice compulsory.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So
Next.
from manual, do we have any real-time projects like writing test cases and to test?
Yes. In no project, I will tell how to test cases, how to execute, how to defect reporting. Those things I will tell. Project is not even manual testing. How to write test cases, everything I will tell. Niharika.
Okay, so REST API, do we have REST Azure? These are all required for interviews.
Not required. REST API not required for us. As a functional test engineer, these three are enough. Manual, Selenium, project content is enough. Once you get the job, next level, performance tools, RET testing, whatever, those things, next level. Present initial, these three are enough to get the job.
Oh, sir, any bug tool you said, na sir? What is that, sir?
Mantis. 1 second, I will show.
Yeah. Okay.
This is one bug tracking tool. Mantis. Is visible my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Inside, yes, Mantis BT. 1 second, tool is opening. It's a Mantis bug tracker tool. That is. So see, whatever you came from IT or non-IT, don't bother. Sir, manual testing in theory part, sir, everyone can understand, no problem. It's very easy, simple. But whenever Selenium started, compulsory every day you have to practice. Sir, once you learn the clause, immediately getting job means no. Once you can practice, if you are perfect in that area, definitely you will get the job. This content and this content very important. Sir, if you know these 18 concepts, definitely you will get the job. 199% I will give assurance. But these 18 concepts are very important. Check this content. If real-time employees is there, or your cousins who are working on software, you can ask them. If you know these 18 concepts, pakka you will get the job. So main thing is your hand, you have to practice, daily practice. Today I'm telling two programs. Okay, first those two you can practice. Next I will use in those you can. Mainly whatever I am telling, if you're practicing, maximum that is enough. Because all my old students, they are getting jobs, they're happily enjoying their lives. So main thing is in your hand only. You have to practice only. That is the thing, sir. So today introduction, so that's why I'm not telling any subject. So this is I'm what I'm providing. These three I'm telling. Manual selenium content. Once piece payment completed after 2-3 days, not today. Okay, after 2-3 days you can take time. Once payment done, once payment, please mute. Once payment done, okay, I will take your numbers. I will create a WhatsApp group. I will add you each and every person. I am providing. Boy, please mute. Who is that? Pre-recorded videos I will give lifetime access, and soft copy I will give daily 1 hour session, duration 2 months, Monday to Friday is the session. Saturdays, sir, I will take workshops like Jenkins. Okay, those things I will take workshops. If you have free time, you can attend workshop. Or else we will upload into YouTube. YouTube channel is the Durga Soft. In that we will upload. Then also you can attend. So who are interested, who want to continue this class? If you are interested, if you want to continue, then we give your number, sir. Then only can give your number, sir. Okay, sir, I am interested. I want to continue. In chat panel, you can give your numbers. Otherwise, after payment completed, I will take all your numbers. Yes, Priyanka, any doubt? Priyanka Tyagi. Any doubt? Yes, you can call. You can call if you're okay. Just tell Priyanka, you can unmute yourself. How they are unmuted, you can unmute yourself, yeah.
Yes, sir. I want to this class.
You want to?
I want to do this class.
Yes, sure. That's why I'm telling now. You can continue 1-2 days. You
Yes.
can continue. Yes, Anusha interested. Very good. Sir, who are interested? See, call this number. Ask the piece. Just to registration you have to do. After 2 days, you can done payment.
Sir,
After payment, I will take all your. Yeah.
sir, call on this number right now. This is available.
Yes, you can call this number 80969696.
Okay, fine, sir.
You can call and register yourself. Then after registration, today, Thursday, 2-3 days I will give time. After that, Monday, who payment completed, I will take all your numbers and I will create the group, WhatsApp group. In that we have discussion, materials, videos and everything. Anusha, okay. I noted your number, okay. So after payment done, definitely I will take numbers and I will create. Wasim, I want to continue. Okay, thank you, Wasim. Thank you, Anusha. And one more person is also confirmed, Priyanka. Very good. Sir, okay, no problem. Take your own time. Yes, Amit Panigrahi, tell. Any doubt? Yes, you can unmute yourself.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question that is there in the enough document that you have just give the document that project, real time project, is it enough to get a job?
Enough. Project and these two are enough. Yeah. See, once you can go see the project content, videos, whatever I'm giving, that is enough to get the job. Pakka. That is enough.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Every person I'm telling, thanks for attending demo. Today introduction only. That's why I'm not telling anything. Tomorrow's class will be started exactly 7 o'clock. 7 to 8 should be the same. Take 2 days time, and you can decide. If you're okay, then you can payment. If today, if you're interested, just register. Sir, I'm interested. Like that number you can call and you can register yourself. So tomorrow also same link. Tomorrow also subject will be started first chapter. Thanks for attending demo. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we will meet for continuation. Have a nice day. Bye everyone. Bye Karishma. Bye everyone. Bye, Vijay. Thanks for attending.